Hey folks, thank you for watching You Can Do It. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to lay out can lights in a large room with tall ceilings. I'm going to make it easy for you, show you how to keep them symmetrical, in line. Sometimes it's hard to measure because the walls are so far out and you're up on a real tall ladder. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Stay tuned. Well, I hope this video helped you to be able to install your can lights in a large room, maybe similar to this, or might be even bigger than what I've got here. But the laser trick and the wires going up in the ceiling, you can't go wrong with that, because it's always good to go up and see what's up in the ceiling before you cut a big six-inch hole, and then you got to patch it. So that's the best way to do it. You go up and see if there's a duct work or if there's plumbing pipe, and it's usually pretty flawless. If you have to patch anything, it's just that little pinhole. So anyhow, thank you for watching. You can do it, and stay tuned for the next video.